Hey there, Instagram lovers. Are you ready to take your Instagram game to the next level? We've got something exciting for you. Introducing our latest offering from IT Boost, your trusted partner in boosting your social media presence. With our service, you can buy real, active Instagram followers, extending your reach globally. And the best part? Our fast delivery system ensures your follower count starts climbing in no time. Now you might be wondering, why should I buy Instagram followers? Well, having a larger following not only boosts your credibility, but also helps you connect with new people and potentially increase your sales. It's a fantastic way to amplify your voice and gain visibility. And don't worry, our followers are real and won't get your account into any trouble. So, how can you get started? It's super easy. Head over to our product page, enter the number of Instagram followers you want, provide the correct link to your profile, and hit Add to Cart or Buy Now. Complete your payment and sit back and watch your Instagram popularity soar. So, are you ready to become an Instagram sensation? Boost your Instagram presence today with IT Boost. Your journey to Instagram stardom is just a click away. Click the link in the description below to get started. And don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates from IT Boost.